Eric and Oz are back and better than ever.
That's why we're going back to the trends of.
What am I supposed to do here? Just pull yourself through. That hurts. Come on, Chester, you're doing good, buddy. All right, Miles, grab this. I'll have to be the next best thing, Eric. Damn it. Yeah. How you doing?
Like climbing the rafters and stuff.
I don't know about this one.
I'll take it like.
You guys can go without me if you want.
I'll see you.
Nah, we leave no man behind. Oh damn! You're looking like you're having a hard time there.
You got it, honey. Yeah.
I think I'm breaking my phone.
Just bend forward. Eric, I'm gonna call your mom to give you some money.
I'm bad. Yeah. Can you guys call my dad?
You got this, sweetie.
Dad.
Call my mommy.
Mama.
Here, Eric. Sorry.
I see the head.
He's drowning.
Guys, we have to slap him when he comes out.
You guys gotta spank him.
Snip me real quick.
What I want to know is why is there so much like food stuff in here? Like why
Not up there.
all the why would you like come in here and munch on chips?
They ripped it.
They bit it off.
Probably. Yeah.
My teeth are just as flat as they are now.
Gross that apparently it's a thing that some women are like eating their placenta.
Yeah, I've heard
Like,
that.
what
Yeah,
the
many
hell?
did too.
Why?
It's so gross. They say it's nature's
It's nutrient.
snack.
It's nutrient filled.
Nature's snack.
It's got all the nutrients
It's
for
because
the
it
baby.
stains the baby.
Oh my gosh, you're not a baby.
Yeah. All 26 letters.
Macromolecules, electrolytes, all the goods.
Water.
Plenty of protein.
It's just a glob of half-digested shit. That's
why pro weightlifters eat placentas.
I can't tell if you're joking.
Yeah, no, they just go to hospitals.
Where would they get off?
Hey, you guys got any placentas on hand?
Just check the bucket.
Yeah.
He's like, reach and it's like slosh. Just like a slimy bucket. What the fuck?
Just like dump it all.
Yeah.
Check the dumpster up.
It's proving to be not a good idea. Oh jeez, I'm bleeding.
You are where?
That.
Oh my goodness. Eric, don't do it again.
I didn't try that second time.
That's literally the definition of idiocy. It's doing something at the same time and expecting a new result.
That's insanity.
Einstein, he was a crazy dude. Slept with his cousin.
That is so gross.
That's disgusting. I don't like knowing that. Some things are just better off left not unsaid.
Well, smart people most of the time aren't smart. It happened again. First time I did it, watch out.
You're gonna. How do I do this? Eric's spouting obscenities in there.
I just don't understand how I got in this fucking position. I just can't get my fucking leg through. Shut up, you fucking mongrel.
Dumb fucker, hurry up.
I'm mashing myself into this shit.
Dude, you don't want to get your legs over.
Shut up, Miles. I didn't get my fucking shoe around this bull fuck.
Yeah. I feel like the homeless guy's gonna show up and eat out my fucking trachea.
I think he's dead, Eric.
Heart's all like wet. He probably sleeps on the clothes pile.
It's their panel light up on Eric.
Looks like you're shitting.
You were having trouble.
Oh, really?
He's doing pretty good, I think.
Eric, give me a look.
Dude, why did I just go through fucking this? Like, I want AIDS.
Yeah. Oh no, Mike! Heart of adventure, buddy. Ow! Dang, just hit my freaking knee. What the freak, dude? Hit my knee pretty dang hard. So as it turns out, we went the wrong direction. All of that for literally nothing. Yeah, like unironically. What is going on? This dimwit. Freaking loser. Cannot imagine being him. I'd be depressed. I'd be like, wow, my life sucks.
I looked away for 2 seconds. Standing up there like a fucking dipshit.
We just see his dead body.
Why is Miles FaceTiming me?
What the fuck is wrong with him?
What?
Is he on the roof still?
Yeah.
So,
Just tell him to get down.
I'm gonna look for another one.
Oh my god.
You're broke.
Okay, bye.
What was the point of telling us that?
This does not open.
Guys, we can do Anne Frank.
Okay, go.
Just drive. Get the fuck out of here.
Get out of here!
Go. The cop can't stop you legally. Get the fuck out.
Look, this is the right way. This is so retarded.
Had a Clippers game on the court side. Watch a nigga shoot like a 4-5. They mad at me too, I got more fight. Why these bitches see you? Go home ride.